Okay, here's something wild. Have you ever done a foot soak and watched the water turn murky or even change color? Sounds gross, right? But it's actually kind of fascinating because what's happening under the surface says a lot about the condition of your feet. And today, we're doing a little experiment you'll want to stick around for. Let's be honest, we don't give our feet nearly the attention they deserve. They carry us through our day, stuffed in tight shoes, sweating, getting stepped on, and sometimes downright neglected. And yet, we expect them to stay soft, smooth, and sandal-ready year-round? Not very fair. So what happens when you start using something as simple as hydrogen peroxide in a foot soak? Well, let's just say the results might actually surprise you. I'm talking about smoother heels, less odor, reduced itchiness, and even clearing up that stubborn toenail fungus. I know it sounds like one of those too-good-to-be-true home hacks, but don't click away just yet. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how this works, why it works, and how to do it the right way. Your feet are about to get the love they've been begging for, and you'll never look at that little brown bottle the same way again. 1. It kills bacteria and fights odor. Let's start with something we've all dealt with at some point: foot odor. You know that embarrassing moment when you take your shoes off and suddenly regret every step you took that day? Yeah, that one. Whether it's after a long work shift, a workout, or just a hot summer day, smelly feet can sneak up on the best of us. But what if I told you the solution could be as simple as a bottle of hydrogen peroxide? Here's how it works. When hydrogen peroxide comes in contact with your skin, it starts to bubble and fizz. That reaction you see isn't just for show, it's actually a sign that it's getting to work. Hydrogen peroxide naturally breaks down into water and oxygen, and it's that burst of extra oxygen that's the real superhero here. Those fizzy bubbles are deadly for bacteria. They break apart the bacteria's cell walls and stop them from multiplying. And since bacteria are the main culprits behind foot odor, this means one thing: fresher, cleaner smelling feet, even after hours in socks or sneakers. It's super easy to use too. Just take a small tub or basin and mix 1 part of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 3 parts of warm water. Make sure the solution isn't too hot. You want it warm enough to feel relaxing, but not uncomfortable. Then, soak your feet for about 15 to 20 minutes. You might feel a slight tingle or see a bit of bubbling around your toenails or calluses. Don't worry, that's just the peroxide doing its thing. If you do this 2 to 3 times a week, you'll start to notice a big difference. Not only will your feet smell better, but they'll also feel cleaner, lighter, and healthier overall. It's like giving your feet a mini detox, right at home. Plus, there's something really satisfying about soaking your feet at the end of the day. It's a moment to slow down, take care of yourself, and let this simple solution take care of the grime and odor. No fancy foot sprays, no chemical-laden powders, just a basic, affordable fix that really works. 2. Say goodbye to athlete's foot, naturally and effectively. Let's talk about something that can be super annoying and honestly, kind of embarrassing: athlete's foot. You don't have to be an athlete to get it. In fact, anyone who wears closed shoes for long hours, deals with sweaty feet, or walks barefoot in public showers is at risk. If you've ever had that constant itch between your toes, peeling skin, or a burning sensation that just won't go away, then you know exactly how frustrating this fungal infection can be. The good news? You don't always have to reach for expensive creams or slather on messy powders to get relief. There's a simple, natural option that might already be in your bathroom: hydrogen peroxide. Here's the deal: athlete's foot is caused by a type of fungus that thrives in warm, moist environments. Yes, your shoes are the perfect party spot for it. But hydrogen peroxide has some pretty powerful antifungal and antiseptic properties that can help break that party up real quick. When applied to the affected areas, hydrogen peroxide releases oxygen, a process that not only helps clean the skin, but also works at a cellular level to break down the protective wall of the fungus. Over time, this weakens the infection and helps your skin start healing from the inside out. So, how do you use it? It's super simple and completely doable at home. Just like with the odor soak, mix 1 part of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 3 parts of warm water in a basin or small tub. Make sure your feet are clean, then soak them for around 15 to 20 minutes. You might feel a bit of fizzing, especially between the toes. That's a good sign. It means the solution is getting into the tiny cracks where the fungus hides. Now here's a bonus tip. After soaking, dry your feet really well, like between every toe. Fungus loves moisture, so don't give it a chance to stick around. Once your feet are dry, apply a few drops of tea tree oil, another powerful natural antifungal. Just massage it gently into the itchy or peeling areas. The combination of hydrogen peroxide and tea tree oil works beautifully together and gives your feet a fighting chance to heal without resorting to chemical treatments. Consistency matters here. Doing this 2 to 3 times a week can make a noticeable difference in just a few weeks. The itch calms down, the peeling slows, and your skin starts looking healthier. And the best part? You're not just treating the symptoms, you're actually addressing the root of the problem. No more hiding your feet or dreading sandal season. You'll feel more confident knowing you're taking real, effective steps toward healing. 3. It also attacks toenail fungus slowly, but surely. All right, let's talk about one of the most stubborn foot problems out there, toenail fungus. If you've ever dealt with it, you know how persistent and frustrating it can be. It starts off small, maybe just a little yellowing or a tiny bit of thickening, and before you know it, your toenail looks nothing like it used to. It becomes discolored, brittle, sometimes even smelly, and you start avoiding open-toe shoes like they're the enemy. Here's the thing. Toenail fungus doesn't go away easily, and it definitely doesn't disappear on its own. It digs in deep, and if left untreated, it can spread to other nails or even to other parts of your foot. But the good news is that hydrogen peroxide, that humble bottle sitting in your cabinet, can be surprisingly helpful in the fight. Now, we're not claiming it's a magic overnight cure. It's not. But when used regularly, hydrogen peroxide has been shown to gradually break down the fungus, lighten that yellow or brown discoloration, reduce thickening, and most importantly, help stop it from spreading further. So how do you use it? There are 2 easy ways, and it really depends on how serious the infection is. Option 1 is the soak method. Great if more than one toe is affected, or you just want a simple, relaxing routine. Mix 1 part of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 3 parts warm water in a foot basin. Soak your feet for 20 minutes a few times a week. This helps soften the nail, reach under the surface, and start breaking down the fungal layers over time. Option 2 is more direct and great for when only 1 or 2 nails are infected. Just take a cotton ball or cotton pad, soak it in 3% hydrogen peroxide, no need to dilute for spot treatment, and press it gently on the affected toenail. Hold it there for a few minutes, or secure it in place with a bandage if you want to let it sit longer. This targets the fungus more aggressively and helps the solution seep into the nail bed where the fungus hides. You won't see instant results. Honestly, toenail fungus is like that guest who overstays their welcome. It takes patience and consistency to finally get them to leave. But if you keep up with this routine, week after week, you'll likely start to notice small changes. The nail may begin to look clearer, thinner, and healthier. And that's a big win. Also, keep your feet dry and clean in between treatments. Fungus loves moisture, so breathable socks and proper hygiene are important partners in this healing process. The key takeaway? Hydrogen peroxide won't perform miracles overnight, but when you're consistent and combine it with basic foot hygiene, it becomes a powerful, affordable ally in the fight against toenail fungus. And the best part? You're using something natural and simple. No harsh chemicals, no prescriptions, just one smart step toward healthier feet. 4. Soften cracked heels and say goodbye to dead, rough skin. Now let's talk about something that's not only uncomfortable, but also a little embarrassing. Cracked heels. You know exactly what I mean. Those dry, rough patches at the back of your feet that feel like sandpaper and love catching on your bedsheets when you're trying to sleep. Yeah, those. They're not just a cosmetic issue. If left untreated, they can crack deeper, bleed, and even become painful. But here's the good news. You don't need an expensive pedicure or some fancy foot peel mask to deal with it. All you really need is a little time, a small basin of warm water, and a splash of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a gentle exfoliant and softener that can work wonders on rough skin. When you soak your feet in it, those familiar fizzy bubbles start working on the top layer of dead skin, loosening and softening the dry, hardened areas. It's almost like a chemical-free peel. The bubbling helps lift away layers of dryness that have built up from days or even weeks of neglect. To do it right, mix 1 part of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 3 parts of comfortably warm water in a foot basin. Soak your feet for about 20 minutes. You can use this time to relax, listen to music, scroll through your phone, or just close your eyes and let the soak do its thing. Once you're done soaking, pat your feet dry gently with a towel, and then grab a pumice stone or foot file. You'll notice how easily the dry, flaky skin comes off. It's much easier to exfoliate after the peroxide has softened it. Don't scrub too hard, just enough to smooth out the surface and remove what's already loosened up. Now comes the important part: moisturizing. Hydrogen peroxide, while great at removing dead skin, can also strip away natural oils, so your skin needs a little help afterward. Apply a thick layer of foot cream, coconut oil, shea butter, or plain old petroleum jelly. Be generous. Then put on a pair of clean cotton socks to help lock in the moisture overnight. Trust me, when you wake up, your feet will feel like you just had a spa treatment. Now, just a little word of common sense before you get too excited and start pouring peroxide straight onto your skin. Stick to 3% hydrogen peroxide only. Don't go higher than that. Stronger concentrations can irritate or even burn your skin. And as tempting as it might be to do this every day, 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough. You want to soften and heal your feet, not dry them out. If your heels are severely cracked, or if you have open cuts or diabetes, be extra cautious and talk to your doctor before trying any home remedy, including this one. But for most people, this simple foot soak can be a total game changer. You don't need fancy tools or expensive treatments. Just a little time, some care, and a bottle of something you probably already have. Your heels will thank you, so will your bedsheets. A few important things before you get started. Before you head to the bathroom with that bottle of hydrogen peroxide, let's take a moment to talk about a few quick but important precautions. Trust me, your feet will thank you later. First things first, make sure you're using the right kind. Stick to the standard 3% hydrogen peroxide, the one you can find at any drugstore. It's strong enough to do the job, but gentle enough for skin use. Anything stronger can irritate or even burn your skin, so don't go experimenting with industrial strength stuff. Next, don't go overboard. As good as it feels to pamper your feet, using hydrogen peroxide too often can actually dry out your skin and make things worse. 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough. Think of it like a good habit, not a daily chore. And here's a big one: moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. After each soak or treatment, always follow up with a rich, nourishing cream or natural oil. Hydrogen peroxide has a way of pulling out moisture along with the gunk you don't want, so your skin needs a little love afterward to stay soft and healthy. Also, if you have any open cuts, wounds, or a condition like diabetes, please speak with your doctor first before trying this at home. While this method is generally safe, it's important to make sure it doesn't interfere with healing or cause problems with circulation, especially if you have sensitive skin or health conditions. That said, for most people, hydrogen peroxide is an easy, affordable, and surprisingly effective way to care for your feet. It's a little bottle with big benefits, and when used properly, it can totally transform how your feet feel and look. If this helped you or gave you a few light bulb moments, go ahead and give it a like, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and share this with someone you know who's been low-key hiding their feet all summer. And of course, if you're into practical health tips that actually work, hit that subscribe button so you